And here we are with our rider, James Beryl. James, it was bad luck on the day to snag the brake hose on the tree, but apart from that, it looked like it was going really well.
Yeah, it was. It was really good. Obviously, it's a lot bigger and heavier than what I'm used to riding. But on the day, I think it helped us. It was very, very deep mud, claggy in places, but because it had so much mechanical grip, I think it helped us in the hill climbs and stuff like that. Yeah, with all the grip, obviously it helped going up the hills. Stuff like that. It didn't seem to spin up like most of the other bikes. I think it's because we had a bit smaller back wheel and a bigger tyre. It helped us, the weight from a cornering point of view, it was very planted. Compared to some of the other bikes that were really struggling, we seemed to get on alright. We changed the gearing before we rode, just to make the first gear a little bit shorter, which helped, especially in some of the tight turns. It had a lot more, because the engine big singles, they had quite a lot of rotating mass anyway, so you were never really covering the clutch. It never felt like it was going to pop stall, or run out of tick over or whatever. But it was really good. Some of the downhills were a bit sketchy, but everyone was in the same boat really with that. The power was just manageable at the bottom. It didn't come in like an enduro bike. It's got a lot more power. It just came on. It was really grippy. It went spinning up. But it was overall, it was a great day. We learned a fair bit. Things we can do in the future to change it a little bit. But overall, it was amazing. Really. Didn't change throughout the day. Didn't lose the clutch. Didn't lose the brakes apart from the damage at the front. But apart from that.
So you've ridden lots of enduro bikes and lots of adventure bikes. From a novice's perspective, for someone who's perhaps mature in years and never ridden off-road, would you say it's maybe
great for that? Yeah, great for that. Because it is what it is. It's easy to ride. There's nothing but a catch rate. It's not complicated.
No.
It's quite low to the floor. And to be honest, that's what a novice needs. If you tiptoe, if you get on a bike and think, God, this is high, that's the last thing you want. You want to do. You want to be planted on the floor. You don't want to be tiptoeing and panicking. And do you want to go up a lane if you're a bit unsure of your bike? You're going to drop it, but if you're happy with what you're sitting on,
I think you can say it flatters a lot of people's confidence because it's so soft and easy to ride.
There's no surprises with it. It is what it is.
What about an overland bike? If someone said to you, I'm thinking about buying one to ride across Morocco or something.
Oh, definitely, like that. Definitely. I think we'll do some other stuff on it that will prove that you can do anything on it. Great bit of kit all round. Really good day. We have to do some more stuff and see how we go.
Excellent. Thanks, James.